You're walking through the woods at night. Suddenly, you hear a chilling scream cutting through the darkness. Was that a barn owl? Or maybe it was this. That's a barred owl. Completely different bird, completely different sound. If you've ever confused these two, you're not alone. They're both night hunters, both mysterious. But once you know what to listen for, you'll never mix them up again. I'm here to show you exactly how to tell them apart. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about why these two owls sound so different. The barn owl is built for silence. It has a heart-shaped face that works like a satellite dish, focusing sound. When it vocalizes, it's sharp, eerie, and unforgettable. The barred owl, on the other hand, is a classic hooting owl. Deep, rhythmic, almost conversational. It's the owl most people imagine when they think of owl sounds. Now, let's break down their calls, step by step. Let's start with the barn owl. This is the sound most people recognize. It's not a hoot, it's a scream. Listen to that again. People describe it as terrifying, like something out of a horror movie. It's long, raspy, and rises in pitch. You'll usually hear it at night, especially during hunting or territorial disputes. Barn owls also make a hissing sound, especially when they feel threatened or when chicks are begging for food. It sounds like steam escaping from a pipe. Short, sharp, defensive. Quick ID tips for barn owl: screaming, not hooting, raspy and eerie. Often heard near barns, open fields, or old buildings. No rhythm or pattern, just pure intensity. Now let's meet the barred owl. This is the sound you've probably heard in movies or nature documentaries. Listen closely to the rhythm. People say it sounds like, "Who cooks for you? Who cooks for you all?" It's 8 or 9 hoots in a row. Deep, resonant, almost like someone talking in the forest. During mating season, barred owls get wild. They make a call called caterwauling. It's chaotic. It sounds like a monkey mixed with a laugh mixed with a shriek. Totally different from their normal hoot. You'll hear this most often in late winter and early spring when pairs are bonding. Quick ID tips for barred owl: rhythmic hooting pattern, deep and mellow tone, found in dense forests near water. Classic, "Who cooks for you?" phrase. Okay, let's put them side by side. Screaming, high-pitched, no rhythm. Hooting, low-pitched, clear pattern. One more time, back to back. Totally different, right? If you hear a scream in the night, it's a barn owl. If you hear rhythmic hoots that sound like a question, it's a barred owl. Let's test your ears. I'm going to play 3 sounds. You tell me, barn owl or barred owl? That's a barred owl. Classic hooting pattern. Barn owl. That eerie scream gives it away. That's a barred owl during mating season. Tricky, but the wild laughing tone is the clue. And there you have it. Barn owl versus barred owl. One screams, one hoots. Both are incredible night hunters, but now you can tell them apart in seconds. If you want to learn more bird calls like this, hit subscribe. We're building the ultimate library of real bird sounds here. Drop a comment and tell me, have you ever heard either of these owls in the wild? I'd love to know. Until next time, keep listening. Nature is always speaking.